In this video, you see about work holding device in a lathe machine. There is a following work holding device in a lathe machine: chuck, faceplate, lathe center, study rest, and mandrel, etc. are the common lathe machine accessories and function of the holding tools work as a holding device. There is a following work holding device in a lathe machine: chuck, center, study rest, carrier, driving plate, face plate, and mandrel. Lathe chuck. Chuck is one of the types of work holding device in a lathe machine that are used to various operations for the holding the workpiece or a job. Types of lathe chuck. There are following types of chuck are used: four-jaw chuck, three-jaw chuck, magnetic chuck, collet chuck, combination chuck, air chuck, and hydraulic operated chuck, and drill chuck. This is the image of four-jaw, three-jaw, magnetic, collet, and drill chuck. Next, lathe center. The center is work holding device in a lathe that is used to support long job in between headstock and tailstock to carry out a lathe operation. Lathe center are often made of high carbon steel. Types of lathe center: ordinary center, half center, tip center, ball center, pipe center, revolving center, insert type center, self-driving life center, female center, and swivel fee center. And this is the image of different types of centers: ordinary type, tap, pipe, insert, female, half, ball center, revolving center, self-driving life center, etc. Study rest is the types of work holding device in a lathe machine that is used to hold or support long cylindrical or thin job. The job is supported by this to maintain and stable position of the job while turning. Types of study rest: traveling study rest, fixed study rest, and revolving study rest. This is the image of study rest. Lathe carriers. The carrier or dog is work holding device in a lathe machine used to hold a job when it need to be fixed between the centers. Work or job inserted into the hole of a carrier and then tightly fixed. Straight. This is the image of straight tail center, bench carrier, and adjustable carrier. Driving plate. It is a circular plate used when turning job in between center. It is used with a straight tails and bent tails carrier to give positive drive to the job. This is the image of catch plate, driving plate with pin, and safety driving plate. Face plate. It is a circular plate used to perform various turning operations, a large flat, irregular shape job, and casting, etc. The face plate is fixed on the lathe spindle and the job can be mounted on the perform turning operation. Lathe Mandrel. The lathe mandrel is used to hold workpiece or a job that is already bored or drilled. The mandrel is often hardening tool steel and grinded to a specified size. The grinded one is to 200 tapered. This is the image of lathe mandrel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.